Nice little long there off the 9 EMA. Kind of a mini bull flag as well. Sitting right at VWAP, but still could be looking pretty good for a long. Bouncing off the, what is that? London high right there. Bounced off it pretty well. Down to the 9 EMA. Kind of making a good bull flag here. Get up past the 07s, probably. Be going long. Still looking good, but they're kind of selling off here. So, why not get the opportunity after all? Still not bad though. Still not bad. Get up just kind of past the 800s.
Order filled.
Yeah, I feel like that's it right there. We like that, we like that. Let's push, let's get those highs. Yes, sir. Pushing pretty well. Kinda, a little resistance there. Almost back to break even. Kinda attempting to go break even, but also kind of tempting to give it just a little bit of room to breathe. See if we can get that bounce up. Well, it wasn't a bad little break. but we're kind of struggling here. Now, let's see how this candle closes. We want to get back up there. We're kind of struggling. I might just get out of it. Kind of held the EMA there. Making our way back up to the 800s. See if we can push past. Alright, could be making another attempt at the push. We'll break even. Yeah, if we're gonna break, we're gonna break. If we're gonna chop around, I mean. I think we're just gonna chop around.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Buyer's not looking the best. You see here on this cumulative delta here, yes. Kind of sitting here at the lows. Kind of making lower lows here, even though we're trying to push up on the price. But yeah, kind of like I feared, we did push the low of that candle right there, so we would have gone stopped out. So, oh. We were up like 10 points. Not quite our target. But we're kind of hoping for something. Luckily, we got an opportunity to go break even. Coming down to that Tokyo low. If we close down here, it could be looking good for a short on the 5-minute as well. Minutes and 20 seconds till the 5-minute closes. We're kind of bouncing off. The Asia low sitting at 71.25. Mark it right there. Got 1 minute left. Yeah, Sellers could be making some moves here. $18 seconds. Probably gonna try and go short here.
Order submitted.
Alright, we got a order at 78. See if we tap into that.
Order filled.
Alright, we're in. Risking 800. Go for 1-to-1. We break some of these lows down here. Kind of a bear flag. I'll be going break even. So far, bouncing, holding that Asia low like we were talking about here. Kind of bouncing off those EMAs. Hopefully, we'll make the move eventually. This is 5-minute chart, kind of a bigger play here. So obviously, it's always nice to get an instant confirmation on the trade. Watch us come down at the same time. If it comes up here, that's okay. As long as we make our way down eventually, that's all we're really looking for. Obviously, we have this risk here, this room to move. That's what it's for, right? Watch it come up here, watch it dabble a little bit, and then make our way down. The buyers are holding pretty well though. Yeah, ES making new highs. Could be a losing trade here. We'll have to see if we get lucky. I mean, maybe not luck, but obviously see if it plays out in my favor. Or if it happens to be losing trade, that's part of the game. Obviously. As long as we don't lose our emotions, it's not like we actually lost the trade. But yeah, ES pushing higher highs still. Buyer's still looking a little weak here on Delta. So see what we do here. Made it to VWAP. See if we bounce VWAP or push through. Or we might kind of just chop VWAP today. We did open up right into VWAP. I mean, we opened down here, but then we pushed up into VWAP on that first minute. We are finding a little resistance here. A little support for the sellers. Let's see if this kind of bear flag plays out. It's not one that I'd probably take, but it still is one nonetheless. Of sorts. A little break there. See if we hold and push the lows. Definitely be good for us right about now. There we go. Big strong candle there. See if we can push that Asia low, and then we should be off to the races. Alright, there we go. Up 10 points on the trade. Like I said, if we break these lows here, I mean, it's kind of like a bear flag, so we should kind of push all the way down to the 46s. Might wait till we get down there before we go break even. Just give it that room to breathe. But I mean, in a perfect world, we just get down there to my target pretty quickly. We're already down there to the 50s. Yeah, seller's really taking control here. Of $500. Probably not bad to lock in some profits, but I think we still got some room down. See if we can break these lows and run some of these lows down here. That's kind of what we're looking for. We are bouncing a little bit. Like I said, we're giving it some room to breathe. Let's see if we can just get down there and hit our target. Yeah, we'll break even just to take off the risk completely. We might even lock in how much? Maybe 400. Like I said, we want to give it the room to breathe, but I mean, if that's all it got, right, and come back down to break even, that'd be a little unfortunate. So the idea is to manage this as correctly as possible, make some money, but if the sellers are still looking good, we don't want to miss out on our targets. Yeah, so we're back up. That would be the 400 if we did lock it in. I think we'll hold on to it for a sec and see what happens. Maybe we missed out. Yeah, buyers coming straight back up there. We almost made it to that overnight low. That's kind of the target we had down at the 40s. I imagine we make our way back down there, but that is a nice green candle on the 1 minute. Let's see if we get another push down, maybe make a bear flag here to kind of give us further confirmation on our trade. And Delta's still looking good for the sellers. ES struggling a little bit. You can see it here. Kind of struggled to break the low of this swing on the 1 minute, where obviously NQ had no problem going down. Almost back to that 9 EMA. Hopefully, we're looking for it to bounce off of this and hopefully make, yeah, bear flag or just run the lows here without getting up to my stop at break even. That would be obviously ideal. But rejecting the 9 EMA pretty well here. Up almost $400, 20 points on the NASDAQ. Could be a good bear flag here. So we're kind of hoping for on the. Yeah, if we break these 56 level here, kind of like that, but if we can, well, hold it and actually push down, then it should be looking pretty good. Yeah, just get the push, hold, and then get down those overnight lows, kind of what we're looking for. We'll put our target there just to make sure it doesn't bounce the overnight lows and move on without us. Put a little line on the chart too.
Target filled.
Oh, never mind. Looks like we could have had the full target, but like I said, better safe than sorry. Sometimes it likes to bounce those overnight lows and would hate to miss our target by just a little bit. But yeah, there we go. $770 on that trade. After after commissions or fees on that, as you can see we're up $764.24 on this account. Very solid. Yeah, probably gonna be done trading on that account today. But over here on this other chart on the right, you can see we have another 50K account that we'll be looking to take some trades on. We did take one already up here, but I stopped out break even and then would have been a loser anyways. So good management there. Stay away from the losses. Yeah, we're kind of looking for bull and bear flags here on this account. We kind of had that one there just a couple minutes ago, but kind of missed it. We're kind of focusing on the other trade, and definitely wasn't the cleanest for me. We did have these 3 wicks line up pretty well, but with this little kind of wick here and then down and then up, it definitely could have been more of a bottom type of thing. So it did play out pretty well. But we'll just wait and see if we can catch the next one. This one up here played pretty well too, but I was still a little unsure of what the overall trend was. So yeah, stayed patient on that one as well. Here we go, back up to the 90 EMA, rejecting well. We can get... Right now we got kind of these wicks here. So if we get some more wicks to kind of line up with this, and then we break it, that's what we're looking for. More or less. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, this candle. Not a bad wick, right on the line. Our imaginary line that we drew. So yeah, if we break that low of that wick that we just made, could be another good short. But we are like I mean, oh wait, we never put this in the right spot. Down here at the 39.5, that's the overnight low. And yeah, we did go past it a little bit, but we literally we bounced so far, bouncing it really well. So I mean, not a bad trade, honestly. I mean, so far all of these bouncing the London high here, then the Asia low right here. I mean, great bounces. And then, I mean, we did push through it here the second time, but then boom, overnight low. Which also happens to be the London low. Let's keep an eye on this just in case we continue shorter. But we also could push the highs of this kind of 1 minute structure here. And might be looking for some longs after that. Kind of looking like it wants to, not gonna lie. Feeling a little more bullish. Delta looking good as well. Delta already breaking the highs on the 1 minute. Price a little behind, but I imagine we get there eventually. ES also a little behind on the 1 minute. There's the rip. Well, we got that push, and we haven't really done anything since. Could be an opportunity for long though, but might wait until we get past the VWAP. Just because I've had plenty of bad luck trying to long into VWAP. Yeah, long here at the 80s could be pretty solid. Yeah, it would be better to kind of get down and bounce off the EMAs. Maybe retest the Asia low there. Yeah, kind of getting that push now. See if we hold it or not. Yeah, I never made the retracement down to the EMAs. And yeah, we might wait a little bit before taking this. Oh, a big selling candle there. Really pranked all those buyers. Everyone who thought about going long, they got wrecked. Wrecked right there. All right, we are back. Just went to the bathroom and market's still going nowhere. Kind of just chopping around the Asia low. Right there, you can see the blue line, blue horizontal line there. Might finally push up here though. Get past these highs, get the VWAP. It's kind of what we're waiting on if we're gonna try and get long here. Get past VWAP. There we go, just in time. Let's see if we can get another setup to get in this long, get a part of this. We are pushing past the VWAP. Just a little bit there. VWAP sitting there at the 89.5 area, right about here. So pushed it a little bit, but now we're coming back to it. See if we can find some support. So far we are. It's a good push off a VWAP. Looking good to break some more highs and continue the uptrend. Yeah, I think it's only a matter of time before we hope there's a little more rip there. But yeah, a matter of time before we just break these highs on the day. There it is. Ripping up there. Good rip, good break. Up there, pushing through the London high. Still going, still going. kind of holding the London high there. You know, if we can get a little bit more of a pullback down closer to that 90 MA and dark blue line there, might look to join this. See if we can get a bull flag set up. Oh, a little pullback. At least that's what I was gonna say. But it's kind of a heavy pullback here. Really rejecting the highs there. It's a good thing we did not get long yet. Jeez. Looks like I might not be looking for the long. Jeez. Still just going lower. Breaking lows on the 1 minute. ES doing the same. Delta is a little behind. Seller's not as strong as they appear, potentially. Pretty good wick there. Just on the 1 minute. 5 minute looking pretty good as well. Not really sure where those sellers came from, but we are kind of holding. We might slowly make our way back up and continue long here. But chopping around VWAP also is still not out of the picture. Market not really giving us much. I mean, yeah, basically hasn't gone anywhere since the open. Besides a little push up and then a bigger push down and then a push back up. Now we're just right back in the middle of the range. In theory, it's not a bad short setup, kind of a bear flag there. A little ugly for my standards. And we're kind of just chopping, so I'd prefer if we get out of this chop, out of this range, whether it's the highs or the lows. Don't really care. But if we're just kind of chilling in the middle here, probably not looking good for me. Probably not going to be making any trades. Still could play out here though. Kind of interesting here. We got NASDAQ kind of going down with this kind of flag setup here. Not the best. Again, kind of still in this range. Not something I want to take. But then we got ES pushing up. So you can see, I mean, pushing down, pushing up. Very much doing the opposite there. Not sure exactly what that means, but personally definitely gives me a little bit of hesitation when putting on a trade. Definitely gonna be a little more cautious. Don't want to be taking any, I don't know, any trade that's not really good. And yeah, with the ES going up, with NASDAQ going down, definitely speaking, just, I mean, the divergence, indecision. Normally the NASDAQ follows the ES kind of follows the NASDAQ, so shorts are playing out here, but I don't imagine they're gonna play out very long. I mean, yeah, we could do kind of whatever it wants kind of through this range here. But with ES going up, there's no way we really push down, in my humble opinion. Shorts are really playing here. Off the first bear flag and then another little one right here. Kind of had our eye on it, but again, ES not really going anywhere. Still potential for a chop, but now we're pushing these lows. If we get another, I don't know, another good setup, we might be tempted to take it. Still going lower here. See if we can get past the previous low. Break the low of the days. Get past the... we got Fridays. Is that Friday? Yeah. Friday's low. Took it out there. So yeah, see if we sweep this, make our way back up. Or maybe we keep pushing lower. See if we get a bear flag. Something here. Something. There it is. Still going lower. Oh yeah, sellers are really pushing here. Pulling back here a little bit, back to that overnight low. Pulling back to that 9 EMA. Buyer's not looking bad here though. Got a big wick on the 5-minute. That's about to close in just a couple seconds.
So gear up, people, because in this game.
Oh, we're really getting up there now. Well, not bad here. Not bad. Oh. Yeah, good pullback. Which of those EMAs? Settlers did make a good push there. If you get down past the 45s, could be tempted to just do a little short. See what happens. Still pushing higher though. Yeah, we might keep making our way higher. But again, we're kind of getting back to the middle of that range from earlier. Yeah, kind of hard to know what it's going to do from here. But yeah, probably not going to be looking to go short unless we get back down to the lows. Yeah, good V bottom there. Guess we'll keep an eye out for some flags, but I don't know, not really doing much today. We do got the finals open here. Guess we'll run a couple games. I mean, we should have probably a little bit ago while I was chopping, but here we are now. See what the market does. I haven't played a lot of this season yet. I used to play this game quite a bit, but I've been playing a little bit more Battlefield recently. And also some Fortnite, so I'll just play some team deathmatch to warm up a little bit.
Versus the jet setters. Blink fast, shoot faster. This is TDM. Let's go.
No cash outs today, people. Just chaos and all-out combat in the arena.
Simple and
Oh boy. Oh, he shot through my goo. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, we gotta lock in. Haven't played this map before. I forgot how strong heavies are.
Scanning for opponents. Scanning for opponents.
Rats. Kind of a
Order filled.
bull flag there. It's not my favorite though. I don't know. We might have missed the little push. Little push there. Like, I kind of like that.
Tossing a sonar.
Oh yeah, it's so hard to kill
Top
them.
filled.
Yeah, I had a feeling that was not an A+ setup. Shouldn't have gone for it, but we did. Haven't gotten any trades in the last like hour. These heavies are a pain in the butt. I don't know how to fight them. It's been too long. I'm gonna have to switch to medium or something.
Throwing sonar grenade.
Yeah, I can't kill him. Looks like we are going right back up to our entry there. Yeah, just stop me. Had to stop me out before we got the push. It's typically how it goes. I could get back in, but I've been burned by that before, so probably good mentally just not to do that. Jeez. I need to lock in. I'm like 2 and 6. And those guys just got behind me somehow.
10 seconds.
I mean, maybe they're just really good. Clearly they kind of stomped our team. They doubled our score. I mean, they only have 3 kills. Okay, I'm going go medium. See if I do any better with the medium.
The retros are grooving. One more stellar round.
Looks like the long was the right idea. We just got trapped there.
Oh man. There we go. Ah, doing a little better. This guy's shooting me with a shotgun from... Is that a shotgun? I'm pretty sure that's a shotgun. Didn't think it would do that much damage from that far away. Jeez, it's been too long. Not to mention I haven't played these maps before. Jeez, their whole team. What blew me up? Oh, whatever. Like I've never even played this game before. Ah, a little better that game. But that team just did way better than my team. Holy crap. Kind of just chopping the market right now. Kind of tempting to go long here. So with this rejection, EMA is kind of a flag setup. But could get burned again here. Kind of just chopping around.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, already kind of just selling back down after I got in. Yeah, we could just chop right back down, stop me out. Gotta be more careful with that. But it looks like it wants to push back up. Guess not though. All right. Man, I shouldn't move my stop. Shouldn't risk more, but it just feels like it's gonna stop me out and then go back up, which is kind of what it did. But geez, yeah, it's like looking like the buyers are stepping up. We go long, and it just goes straight to my stop, kind of relentlessly there. Gave us a little hope there, but yeah, we might be losing this trade. Flags are not working too well. I mean, this second one, not the best. We're chopping. I shouldn't have taken it. It's on me. Hopefully we push through the 70s. Yeah, that's kind of what we're looking for now. If we can push all the way, that would be beautiful. But so far, we kind of wick up there, make everyone think we're going long, and then we just go right back down. So it's very easy when that happens to go long, get stopped out, go long, get stopped out. So, oh, I forgot to change my weapon. What is going on here? I love this game, but I hate heavies with a passion.
The big splash made an awesome steal there.
Can you believe it?
Oh, looks like we got the
Explosive mine arm.
cash out going. Sorry, we got the cash out. We're chilling.
All the result of a beautifully set up steal.
Somehow I'm still alive. We are finally getting that push up there a little bit.
Planting a mine.
Not much though. Probably should have just taken the trade off there, but now we're back in the negative. Could chop back down. Yeah, I kind of meant to get out there and play it safe. Hopefully we bounce this key level here. Get back up there. We're probably just gonna go get stopped out.
Our contestants deal with a sky
I kind of just want to get out of it.
for too long.
Jeez, people all around me. Yeah, kind of a bear flag now. I mean, I know we're not in a downtrend, and it's not a bear flag I'd take, but we break those wicks. Definitely gonna get stopped out. Yeah, we don't. I do like the repeater. Not really warmed up. Not really ready for it. Market's still going nowhere. Yeah, I hate being in trades during this. Yeah, we're probably just gonna get stopped here unless we hold, bounce, and keep chopping, make our way back up. Yeah, I kinda hate it. This is why I need to not take trades. When the market is doing this. I didn't miss a single shot. Yeah, there's the break low. Might get lucky here. Might get stopped out. I mean, we probably should have just put our stop below the low, but that would have been a guaranteed loss. We did give it a little bit of room here, which could work if we do range and chop back up there. Dang, yeah, this trade's, yeah, really pissing me off. Glad we're out of it. Holy cow. But we're probably, now that we're stopped out, we're probably going to make our way back up. And I need to... Oh gosh, there's 3 of them. Super heavies as well. Literally impossible to kill. Jeez. I know the slightest thing of, oh, we could go long. Wick up there and we go straight down. Yeah. Just chopping super bad. And this is how you blow up accounts right here. I mean, we still have plenty of room before we blow up this account. We're chilling. This is just a unfortunate, got chopped. I'm down 600 on the day on this account. But we're still up 700 on the other one.
The big splash are ready to dive into this. They've started a cash out.
I only hit headshots. In this game you can hear when someone hits you in the head. Just like based off the sound. He definitely only hit headshots there. He might be just that good, but part of me doesn't believe it. Alright. See if we can just win this game. Might look for some more trades here, since we're on an eval. Probably fine risking a little bit more to make back our loss. Yeah, typically we don't want to be losing too much more than this much on a... I want to go for the revive. Of course they're on me. Yeah, this guy's got to be cheating, right? He only has 100 kills. And he now has 17. It's just in one game. 4 deaths. Also, again, the sound, you can hear he doesn't... He's hitting the head only. Yeah, it's kind of quite hard to believe. Hopefully that teammate can stop him from... Nah, he didn't. You're supposed to kill the guy who's stealing. Oh well, game's over.
The powerhouse has turned up the amps to register an electrifying win. Thanks again to our sponsors and to our viewers.
Yeah, 2 heavies won naturally. And got that cheater on the orange team. Pretty dumb. Yeah, dumb trades there as well. Yeah, I meant to get out there as well. We got that push up just a little bit. Just couldn't get it. Yeah, I got chopped up there. Easily could have avoided both of those losses. First one, just not quite my prime entry, but I had a little bit of FOMO just since we haven't had any trades all day on this account. And then thought, I mean, good bounce here, right? Good wick. Holding the EMAs, surely we'll go long. And then we get in it, we're breaking these highs and comes straight back down. And we hold through here, we get back up. And didn't go break even, we're hoping to break the high potentially. Should have just gone it out since it wasn't a good trade kind of anyways. And then we came straight back down. We are continuing to go lower here. A little bit of strength. So a bear flag could be the move. It genuinely could. But nope. Thought I had him for sure. What the? Don't know what happened there. I used to be good at this game. Let's see if we get a bear flag here. Try and get in on this. Make back some of our losses here. What are we doing way over here? Oh no. Yeah, they died there. Nice. Alright. Looking good for bear flag short here off the 9 EMA. I don't want to throw this game, but we're gonna keep our eye on this if we get down there. I mean, we might be bottom, this might be the low. We might push the high still. Yeah, wow, it's a really... Just not gonna give me any chance, any trades. Got faked out on the longs earlier,
This is one time they won't.
and now we might not get the opportunity.
The Kingfish snatched the catch.
That was a bold play.
Cheeky steal here. No way that works. These guys must be really good if they knew that that would work. No way. Just pushing back up. Put this here
Order
just in
submitted.
case. But we're just pushing back up. Yeah, I can't get a short. Can't get a long. That doesn't stop me out. So
Kingfish just got hit by another wave.
this is a bad day.
Fortune loves a target.
Bad trading day. Kind of no news day as well. Did get a good trade earlier on a different setup we like to look for.
The Kingfish
We're doing pretty terrible here though in the finals. 1-3. Yeah, I not played this game in a long time.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Alright, we're in it. Not the best entry. Looks great though. So far we're just chopping today. Trying to get lucky here, but we're probably just gonna wick up and get stopped out. Unless we are wrong. I'm just getting lasered by everyone. Yeah, once again, kind of faked out the sellers. Just can't get a defining move here. Pretty crappy. Not really anything to do. Except put on a trade, hope for the best, or smart thing to do is to not trade at all. Sit on your hands, play some games. So maybe not this game, because it's really freaking sweaty. And I'm just not ready for this. I mean, these guys are shooting me before I even enter the room. Jeez. Alright, sellers, let's see what you can do here. This is your time, this is your moment. Go for a steal. There we go. Short's kind of playing out here. Good little push. Go break even, see if we get the fill there.
Target filled.
There we go. Made back 450. Good save there. Nice. Well, at least we did something for our team there. Finally got a bear flag to play out. Should have been more patient. Should have waited for this one to begin with. But yeah, just down $163. Kind of break even, but a little bit of a loss still. See if we get any other trades. Might still get another opportunity here.
The Kingfish have recovered and respawned.
Time for a little revenge, maybe. The high notes might feel the heat.
Yeah, we might also take away the stress. Try to enjoy this game. Not worry about trading anymore. It is almost 9:30 local time, 11:30 Eastern. And once we get to like 12 o'clock Eastern, typically like to be done trading anyways.
A contestant is on an elimination streak.
Alright, what's going on? We got orange, they're like just shooting us from back there, not really playing the game. He's already shooting us, giving us some trouble. Oh no. I was like, maybe I'll be able to make it through there. Instantly throwing that sonar grenade. How am I supposed to get over there? Yeah, they're gonna see me. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. How does that happen? Chat, what's going on? Did I just suck at the game, or? Like, why didn't I bounce there? I don't know if I would have cleared the gap anyways, but that's crazy. Another little mini bear flag playing. See if we can get a last second steal. See if this will work this time. There we go. What? They got it. I don't know where that guy went. I got disorientated. Sellers continuing lower now. That's not the overnight low again. Got it. Nice. Oh shoot. Oh, it's the same.
Let's see how they bounce back. The Kingfish are uncorking Vault 4.
Literally, I'm on the team with the cheater. Why aren't we winning? That's what I want to know. How are we? Yeah, I played against this guy. He's 28 and 6 again. Jeez, this guy's got to be cheating. Maybe he'll turn him off because I had to call him out, but honestly, right now we could use him. Win this game. Jeez, I didn't even notice that. 29 and 7 is crazy. I need to get on whatever he's on. Just kidding. I wouldn't cheat.
High notes are back in the arena.
But ooh. That hurts. They saw me. Yeah, we'll stick with this guy. He'll save me. Oh, nearly died there. Wow, that was crazy shot there. Yeah, I just gotta respawn before.
This game show event is unfolding into an epic dash. With our contestants showing those aliens they're not
Alright, see if we can hold this, get the win. We lost our teammate though. Lost the cheater. Which is very unfortunate. Alright, gotta heal up. Hopefully protect the cash out. This is gonna be hard without our teammate though. Ah, dang it. Of course they got the steal. That sucks. Not sure what teammate's up to. Oh, he must have died too, yeah. Just couldn't handle both the teams. I was holding pink pretty well, but... oh, looks like that's it. Not a bad game. Did a little bit better there at the end. Still negative KD though. Not that that matters, but...
The Kingfish have netted themselves the victory. We'll see you next time at the finals.
Still try to do our best. Stay alive as long as we can. I will do one more game. Just since that gives our 3 games of the day challenge out of the way. A little daily XP. Still going lower here, slowly but surely. Not really giving us another bear flag. EMA's up there at the 43s, so we still gotta go pull back kind of 10 points to give us a A+ setup. But yeah, we're only taking beautiful A+ setup trades. These 2 trades, not it, not A+. And even if it was an A+ and it still got stopped out, if it got stopped out and then pushed higher, kind of like this, probably a good sign that we're just gonna kind of, I mean, I obviously miss the trade that sucks, or we come back down here, we're chopping. We're not. You don't go long in the chop or short. This could be something here though. A little pullback. Could be something. Yeah, let's stick to the F car. Definitely probably the best gun. I mean, besides the XP, that's also been really killer. But yeah, to play light, you gotta be really locked in. Gotta sweat a bit, just because you have no health at all. And I just don't know if I'm quite ready for that. It's been a little long since I've played. Medium's a little safer.
Here we go. Fish. And finally, the live wires. The arena has loaded. Buckle up. Get ready for the ultimate cash crunch. The first team to hit that magic number will claim victory.
That's right, Scotty. This is going to be a nail biter.
The live wires are unsealing Vault 1.
Oh, oh. Got him. Oh. It's gotta be a little more serving here. Make sure I'm not fighting two people at once. Aw, dang it. Pushing back up there on the NASDAQ. And up to the 90MA. Kind of getting past it too.
The Kingfish reel in the action. First cash out underway.
Let's figure out. I hate those automatic turret things. Why am I on the ladder? Let's get this guy back up. Oh, he's got the dynamite thing on there. I just need to try and stay alive here if I can. Don't have any teammates. Alright, they got team wiped. Purple's still alive though. Oh, turret. Yeah, I might not be able to. Yeah. Not able to get the steal, unfortunately. Dang it. Oh, I suck at this game. I can't see when they're invisible. Jeez. Just can't get away. It's not looking like a bad... It's looking like a nice bull flag. We're just not really like in a upwards trend here. Makes me a little hesitant to take it. Oh. Oh, I hate that chain so much. Gotta be kidding me. Oh man, this is looking super good. We got, like I said, I got an A+ only. Yeah, we're gonna die. How did I not get the kill? What? I'm just getting shafted this game. Can't get any kills. Can't hold the objective. Like I said, this game's great, but so many sweats now. Community is strong, but small. So a lot of people that still play are quite competitive. I mean, I'm not even in ranked, and I mean, I got teammates who are worse than me, and I'm just not doing too well since I haven't played in a while. And people on the other teams are just they're not messing around. I mean, they're not missing. This guy's got 10,000 kills overall.
Contestant is finding their rhythm, stringing together one elimination after another.
The scales tipped in favor of the Kingfish in this match. Thanks again to our sponsors and to our viewers at home.
Whatever, I can't type. Oh, I have 10,000 kills too. Nice. See if that bullfrog looking thing plays out here. We get that break up. So far, it kind of is. I won't be surprised if it does a little bit kind of up here. But yeah, we might make just a lower high there. Continue lower. It's also looking like a decent spot to bounce. Let's back up to this choppy area up here. Yeah, there it goes. Looks like it would have been good. Would have made some money. Yeah, kind of hard to take that with just all this selling going on. in my opinion. NASDAQ is, well, it was breaking past its 1 minute highs, kind of giving us that bullish structure there. Rejected back down though, pretty quickly. Now we potentially could look for some bull flags, but I don't know, we're still below VWAP, still. I'd be surprised if we continue shorter or just start chopping around since we're getting closer to a lunchtime. I know I said one more game, but we are going to do one more. Go light, and we're going to change to a little darker outfit. Maybe blend in a little bit more with our, the darkness. Make it harder to see us. Well, I guess this map doesn't have a lot of darkness. I was just joking anyways. Match in progress. Alright, let's see what we can do. See if we can... We'll go cloaking as well, go invis. See if we can sneak up on some people and take them out. If it doesn't work, we'll switch back to the dash. Not sure what my team's doing all the way out here. Gotta get to the cash box. It's impossible not to die as a light sometimes, I swear. Especially heavies, like they're so hard to kill. They have so much health. Now we're gonna lose this. Yeah, both team got wiped. Pulling back here a little bit.
Hard-hitting payback. The tough shells might be up next.
Cash out confiscated by the tough shells.
I don't know where I'm going. There's no doors here.
Affected.
What's going on? How do I get out of here? There we go. Probably not gonna have time to steal this. Unfortunate. Little surprise for this guy. The invis does not work all the time. Especially some people, they're very good at seeing it. I don't know if there's like some settings they use that make it easier, but so for some reason sometimes I see it pretty well, sometimes I just don't. Yeah, I saw that guy. Of course his buddies are right here to help him out though. Keep an eye on this. If it breaks up past the 50s, might be a good long. Jeez. I just can't get away from these guys. Holy crap. Give me a break. Just need to heal, dang it. Ping team just loves to hold each other's hands. Ah, dang. He's so low. Ah, it's kind of the bull flag there. Kind of want to take that, but we're already just wicking down. It's so ugly.
Impressive steal by the ultra rares.
I wonder what else they can get away with.
Alright, got a good setup here with the goo. They come and steal. Behind that, I can throw my fire grenade. See, we're chilling. Oh yeah, I have those too. Who's shooting me? Dang it, now we're gonna lose it. That sucks. Unless these two fight it out. Yeah, another bull flag fake out. So many of those today. A little fake out, and then we just push the loads like crazy.
But the ultra rares are pulling it off.
Makes it so hard to want to take any of these trades. I want to make some, but they are not working. So we did get the cash out there.
Organize that wipeout.
This guy hiding. Oh, he is hiding. Just on top of the stairs. Gosh dang it. Is he? Again, the fake out. Push low, stop everybody out. But I guarantee we're gonna push up again. Yeah, kind of untradeable. Got probably a little lucky there, making back some of our losses. Most of it anyways. Dang it.
The Vogues have a cash out in the works.
Alright. Where's the heavy hiding? There's still an orange heavy alive.
Or will there be consequences, Scotty?
Alright, pink making their way down.
Another misstep on the runway for the Vogues. Team wipe.
Oh, you can see me. Yeah, some people, they see the invis super well. I don't like it. Two team wipes. It's like we went. Let's go. I had a feeling if we play one more, we'd get a win, do a little bit better.
The ultra rares were anything but common.
Let's go.
Clinching that victory with speed. On behalf of all of us here at the finals, thanks for watching.
Eight kills, not bad. But could be better, as always. Kind of have a bear flag here on the 5 minute. Kind of played out there a little. I mean, got a little break, but we're kind of getting faking out the 5 minute flag as well. Yeah, trading not looking the best. We could keep playing some games, but it is now 10 o'clock. So we're probably going to end the session here. Up $764 on one of my accounts, and then down 163 on the other. Couldn't make back all my losses, but made back most of it. Pretty solid. Can't complain too much there. But yeah, pretty good day. Despite pretty crappy market conditions. I mean, if you look at the 5 minute zoom out here, we're basically just kind of chop, 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 chop. Yeah, not bad on the finals as well. First couple games were a little rough. Definitely need to play a little bit more, or just not at all. Anyways, good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for checking out the stream. If you liked it, appreciate a like, subscribe, you know, all those things. Come back tomorrow for some more. Yeah, if you want to see me playing the other games as well, I've been playing Fortnite or Battlefield also. I'm open to some suggestions, but I'm also not going to play a game I don't like. So, yeah, we'll see you next time.